Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of a logo or text or whatever in Photoshop really easy and real quick. So once you are on Photoshop, what you need to do is just open the thing that you want to remove the background from and have it like I do right here. Now we are going to go to the left side of our screen and just go all the way down until we find the magic eraser tool, and we are going to select it. Now with this tool we will be able to remove the background by clicking on it, and as you can see I'll do it right now. Now in my case it doesn't remove it all at once because it's not an even color, but in case your background is made up of one single color, it should be removed by just one click. But as you can see right here, I got the background removed, and if I use the move tool, as you can see, I can move the logo around and it has no background, so I can basically take it and put it on another image without having the background. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.